Good afternoon. We're here on behalf of Diamond C Trailer, and we would like to give a big shout out to the teachers of Titus County, Mount Pleasant Independent School District, Harts Bluff School District, and Chapel Hill School District. All of you teachers have gone above and beyond. We know it's not always easy being a teacher in the first place, but these last 12 to 14 months have really dealt some trials and all that y'all have very well overcome and struggled through and come out on the top. And we appreciate everything you're doing for all of our children of Titus County.
My favorite memory of a teacher going above and beyond was my junior year of high school. I was taking biology with Mr. Tricky, and about halfway through the year I was actually failing. And he offered me extra credit and extra teaching after school, and at the end of the semester I actually got my grade up to an A, so thank you, Mr. Tricky.
My favorite memory of a teacher going above and beyond is with Miss Walker. Back in high school, I did not reading at all. Like, I hated reading. And she found a way to make it fun and interactive for me. And to this day, I still read.
Coach D, she was always there for us, for me and my peers, no matter what problem we had, whether it was school related or home related, she was always there for us to listen to our problems. She was always there to, even to cry with us. She was always there no matter what time or the day. She was just there even till now. We can go, or I can go personally myself and ask her for advice, and she'll be there for me.
So one of my favorite memories about a teacher I had that would go above and beyond is actually a coach, Coach Mayfield. He would help me to make sure that I would pass my classes so I could play.
My favorite memory of a teacher going above and beyond was Miss Schulte, and she, when we were turning in essays or writing, she would always hold us to a standard of excellence. She wouldn't let us get by with just doing a half job. So she was good at evaluating our potential and holding us to it. And she would do it in an encouraging way that was like, you can do better, this is not up to your standard.
Was when I was in the 6th grade, I was going through a little rough patch, and she stepped in and became the leader and the mentor that I needed to become who I am today.
Miss Bailey, she would always go above and beyond for me. She would, even if that would be to staying after school or before school, helping me, keeping me out of trouble, and supporting me. She was one of the best teachers I've ever had.
Was Mr. Cardenas. He was my Spanish teacher back in high school, and he always told us not to set our bar so low. And one time he pulled me aside after class, and we were talking about my future and what my plans were. And I always told him I really didn't know what I was planning on doing. But one thing I always learned from him is never set your bar so low. Always aim for the highest thing you can get.
Thank you, teachers. Love y'all.